to people.
All right, let's talk about regret. So regret is a byproduct of compromise versus settling. See, now settling, when you gotta settle, that actually leads to resentment. Compromise at times may lead to regret. So you wanna have boundaries, you wanna have standards, you wanna have expectations for what you're going for and what you're not going for. And if it is something that you regret and it's already done, if it's negative, you need to let that go, because we can't be dwelling on negativity. We can't be putting our energy into dwelling on negativity, reliving those moments. So we have to stay focused on the positive. We have to focus on moving forward and showing up with courage for ourselves by letting go of the regret, using it as a lesson, which a lesson is a blessing. Now we know what we're not doing anymore. We won't compromise anymore. In that way, we know we're not settling, because that's going to lead to resentment, which is going to lead to a crash out, and we don't want to disconnect from aspects of ourselves that we are seeking to elevate us. You get what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, that's how you can overcome regret, by not compromising. Another way you can overcome regret is by letting it go. Let go of the negativity. That's the duality. Sucking it up versus letting it go. If it's negative, let that shit go. You can move forward positively. You don't want to hold on to those negative memories. Now, when it comes to the past, if it's positive aspects of the past, you can hold on to that, and you can actually use the negative parts of the past as a marker to know how you're not going to move anymore, like I just said. So you want to keep all of these things in mind. You want to make sure that you're conscious of all these aspects, because that is God. God is consciousness. That's the substance floating through everything. That's source. You get what I'm saying? But you want to stay in alignment with the vibration of positivity, with the vibration of manifesting those things in your life that you appreciate. You get what I'm saying? Those things that you want to accept and tolerate in your life. You don't want to have any regret. So you want to peace, be still, think about your next move, make your next move the best move, so you can know that, am I compromising in a way that if something negative happens, that I will regret. So that's risk versus reward. Is the risk worth the reward? I'm a little tongue-tied today. So be conscious of that, and that's how you can overcome regret. I'll show you.